Everybody look at the camera. Yay!
Yay! Out here.
Yeah. All right, just off the boat now. Going with peeps with me. We're gonna do some zip lining. Oh, good to know that Carly is a little bit nervous too. So we're all brave on the ground, but you know, my buddy right here. So, and then Jordan's going last in our order to make sure that he pushes both of us. What do you?
I feel like you're just here for the zip line.
Do it.
My name is Justin. I'm gonna be your tour guide, you know.
Justin.
I've been doing this for a long time.
Yeah,
Trust me, it's pretty cool.
Awesome.
I like every time that I go up, I enjoy it.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right.
Something that we lose like 2 people yesterday. Are you sure that you're gonna do this?
I hope so.
Yeah, we lose 2. You know.
Oh, you lost 2.
Yeah, we lost 2 people yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yeah,
No,
that's why I
like
told
the-
you. Are you sure that you're gonna do this?
Like they go up and then they decide when they get there that they don't want to go. Yeah. 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 Like we said, we think we're gonna go on ground. We want to go, but yeah, when we get up there, we'll see how it goes.
I'm pushing y'all, man.
So,
Justin gave me free rein.
yeah, Justin or Jordan's gonna push both of us, so that way we make sure we go.
Okay, when you guys ready, make a left.
There we go. All right, we're geared up, ready to go. It's definitely a fat head and a little helmet. Damn it. All right, we're taking the truck up.
It's good we got the helmets on already.
Right, okay. I wish I saw that.
I feel we're being recorded. That might be scarier than the actual zip line itself for y'all. I know Dad was over there. as soon as he goes, Jesus! Red truck adventure so far. The red truck took us through like hella hills and stuff, and we were just running. I think they have to hit a certain time frame, and we were the 3rd group or something, and then you know they got to get us up there. Either that or that's the only speed you can take it at that. Ready, bro? Oh no. Ready, bro?
Yeah, try.
Let's get it.
Guys, Danny, Danilo, and Justin, the best.
Justin.
Yes, if you feel that your equipment is too tight or loose, let me know and we're gonna fix them for you, okay? How's it beautiful? It's gonna be your correct position, okay? like you're gonna ride exactly like him, okay? You're gonna keep your 2 hands around here, lean back, and your feet gonna be crossing up all the time. Okay? Remember that we're gonna do 5 in total, okay? You guys gonna do 5 like this one, longer, higher, and faster. Bow, you're gonna have a guys in front, and one gonna be in the back. Okay? And then, okay, because this one here we call him the practice one, the baby one.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so that's why we don't have to take gloves. Any questions?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Ready.
Let's get it with it. That's so fun, bro. Yeah, this is sick. All right, we're almost up, bro.
Holy shit.
What you got for me? All right.
I don't know. Tension is rising. Tension is
We're
rising.
losing people.
Yeah, we're
so
losing
it's
people. Crazy.
We're running out of
we're
excuses.
running out of bodies.
This is the easy one, bro.
We're going. This is the easy. This is the tester. We got it.
You
Knuckles up.
got it, bro. I believe.
If the abuelitas can do this,
Yeah, I believe those.
I'm a
They got it.
chica.
And honestly, that black dude was probably bigger than all of us,
Oh,
and
yeah,
he was
that's
perfectly fine. My test, I guess, if you will. But I'm straight.
Oh my god.
And Dad's not that heavy right now. We're good.
No. Yeah.
Not right now. That's not bad, bro. I'm 200, so I'm only 20 behind you now.
Wow. Oh my god.
About that time.
I'm literally gonna do it.
There you go.
So remember that we don't have to break the base on my friend. He's gonna perfect. Okay. Ready, Papa?
Yep.
Yeah, we go, Papa.
There you go.
Hasta la vista, Papa! Hold on tight, hold on tight!
You got it, bro.
Okay. Thank you. Hold on tight from here. Have a seat, lean back, and cross your feet like this.
Okay.
Ready?
No.
Uno,
No.
dos, tres,
Oh no. Yeah.
Suelta el otro, Justin. There she is.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, you made it.
Stand up. Yes, hold on from there. Yeah, we go.
Off we go.
Yes, sir.
All right, here comes Jordan.
How fun.
Oh, 4 more. That wasn't too bad, huh?
No, it's so fun.
Yeah, yeah.
Go.
There he is.
Don't be scared. I got you. I got you.
All right.
Not turn it back around.
Yeah.
I saw you. You kind of.
Jordan, did you hit the?
That's it, and I was like, oh, I'm close.
Jordan, did your feet hit branches?
Huh?
Did
Yeah,
your
a
feet hit the
couple.
branches? Yeah, so did mine.
There he is. That was great. That was nice.
Yeah,
That was solid.
I could not let go of the thing. I was
Yeah.
like this. I was like, well, I put my arm out once, and I was like, well, let me put that back.
No break, okay? You just go fast, okay?
No brakes.
Hey, boss. Yes, sir. Sit down. We can have you in here. You can, you know. All right, cool.
Off you go.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm gonna hang out right here for a second. Thank you. Look at this nerd. Going upside down. Carly, good job.
That was sick.
Straight upside down. Nice.
One, two, Henry here.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Woo.
Dude, upside down is lit.
All right. Awesome.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Tomorrow, you're welcome.
All right, all
How
right.
do you like it? This was your first time, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay,
Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually pretty fun.
Yeah,
Somebody-
I love it. I love it.
The fact that you sit down and then they kind of just push you away.
Yeah.
That's like if they're like, all right, you
If
decide when you
had to
go.
jump,
Yeah, I wouldn't be doing that.
Good job. I like you screaming. No, 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 no. Let it go. No break, no. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Let it go.
No break, no break.
There you go.
can I go upside down?
No, you right here.
Swap.
Yeah, yeah. And look how you guys can do upside down.
These wildlings are gonna ride upside down the whole time. Maniacs. All right, Jordan's getting lit. Our handy guy Justin is doing a great job.
Justin!
Yeah, when you guys ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Were you ready? Yes, yes, be careful. You hold on tight because you know if you fall, you're gonna fall in the water. I love
Can I go upside down?
Sure.
Yeah.
But this one,
Yeah, I'm into that sand.
All right, Jordan, here we go, buddy. Let it go. Hell yes.
Put your hands on top. Yes, sir. Tiki time.
There you go. There we go. What up? He's gonna be able to stop that. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Great job. We appreciate it, buddy. Thank you. They were awesome. Very skilled, very professional. That was fun. I was nervous, but starting out on the lower ones was good to get going, and then the fact that you pretty much had to go. They pushed you. Favorite. So good time. I liked it. Good. Thanks, Jordan, for the invite. Love you, buddy.